Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting my flower beds ready for spring and I'm so excited to show you how I prepare the perfect soil mix. To give my plants the best start, and healthy soil means healthy plants. So let's jump right in. So here I have all of our ingredients. So I'm using organic garden soil. This is our base. And then we're using black cow. This is manure and this adds nutrients um, to our soil. And then we're also using perlite right here. And perlite is good for drainage and it just keeps our soil really airy. And then we have gypsum right here. And this one breaks up the soil and also adds calcium to our soil. And we have bone meal. This is good for blooms and roots development and also adds a little bit of extra calcium to it. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add our garden soil. Let's go ahead and open it. I hope it all fits here. I am using just this container just for demonstration, but you could use a wheelbarrow to mix it. So we're gonna add the soil. I hope it fits in this container. So then there, we're gonna add our black cow manure. Second, I probably should have gotten a bigger container, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Here. Okay, let's hope it works. Slowly. Perfect. So then we're gonna add the gypsum. So we're gonna add this is my garden measuring cup. So I'm gonna add 2 cups. You're gonna sprinkle it all over. And then we're gonna add our bone meal. I'm gonna add 2 cups to it. Hope you guys can see that. Dusty. Here we go. And then we're also gonna sprinkle this in here. So full, guys. I didn't think this through at all. We'll just go with it. Whew. Okay. So we're gonna mix. You know what? We're gonna add the perlite. Let's add this one. It's already open. Little by little. And we're gonna mix it. We probably should have gotten a bigger container. And I have big containers. But I didn't think it through. So I hope everyone had a wonderful New Year's and day, and then a beautiful Christmas with family and friends. I'm so excited for spring, guys, because I'm getting my garden ready for spring. This year. Just mix it, keep mixing it. We gotta get to the bottom of it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And just break it. It's getting windy already. And we're gonna mix it. And what you're gonna do, just keep mixing it until it's well mixed. It'll probably be easier if you use something larger than this container that I decided to use today. So you just continue to mix it, and then I'll show you guys the next step, okay? Okay, guys, so I ended up getting the wheelbarrow because the container was too small. And I'm just gonna show you how we mix. Get in here and just mix it. Mix it. Look how beautiful it is. Okay. And then we're just gonna add it to our bed. And we're gonna mix. We're gonna add it, and then we'll mix my native soil with this one. There you have it, guys. So beautiful. So happy with it. So happy with it. There you go. It's ready. Okay, so this is the bed we're gonna be working on today. This is, I call it my St. Francis little bed. We have our little saint there. We're gonna move him to the side. Place him over here, and then I'm gonna be working on this bed. So that's trash. I'm just cleaning the tree. It's extra. It smells citrusy. Smells really good. We'll clean the food. that's it. My flower beds are officially ready for spring planting. Your soil is such an important step for a healthy, thriving garden. And I hope this inspired you to get started on your own. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Heart and Garden family. Let me know in the comments below, how are you planning on getting your garden ready for spring? I love to hear your tips and ideas. Also, don't miss my other video where I share the bulbs that I'm planning to plant this week. So go ahead, guys, and check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.